Hello and welcome back to another MATLAB video. Sometimes when writing a MATLAB function, as we've been doing throughout this series, you might come across an operation within a function that might be better served being calculated within its own function. Rather than running multiple separate function files to get to one output, you can use subfunctions or nested functions instead. Subfunctions are functions within the same function file as the parent function, but have their own distinct beginning and end within the file. And nested functions are functions defined inside of their parent function. Both subfunctions and nested functions increase the efficiency of your coding. Subfunctions increase efficiency by allowing you to define multiple functions within a single file with only the top-level function being visible to the outside world. Subfunctions are especially helpful when you want to create multiple functions which use some of the same inputs or local variables, or when a subfunction uses the parent function's output as its input. Nested functions increase efficiency by being defined inside the definition of the parent function, which allow them to use data from the parent function without having to pass that data in as an argument. Nested functions are especially helpful when you want to streamline your processing of a larger function by having smaller functions within it compute values for the parent function during one run of the code, instead of having to compute multiple smaller functions separately to achieve the same result. With features like subfunctions and nested functions, as well as many others, functions are powerful tools to add to your MATLAB toolbox and allow you to capture the true potential of the computing power of MATLAB scripts. Thanks for watching this video series, and I'll see you guys in another video.